If you have been wondering on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube here, I will advise you to worry no more, because after watching this video, you will start focusing on how to get your 4,000 watch hour and not how to get your 1,000 subscribers. Because with this method and strategy I'm going to share with you today, on this particular video, you will start bagging at least 500 to 1,000 subscribers on your brand new YouTube channel, or on the YouTube channel which you have been using for months and you are not getting any subscribers. I will be showing you the strategy and the method you can use to grow your subscribers to 1,000 to 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers in the space of 1 month to 2 months without spending any time. Alright, but before we dive into today's video, hello guys, I'm Sunny Boy. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. If you are stumbling across my channel for the first time, please kindly help me to like this video, because it helps YouTube also to push it more and to the right audience. Kindly let me know your opinion about this video down in the comment section, and I'll be glad to reply to your comments as soon as I see it. Kindly help me and also help yourself by subscribing to this channel, because we'll be coming up with mind-blowing and amazing videos just like the one you're about to watch right now, and I'm sure you will not afford to miss any of them. All right, so kindly subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so that when I post mind-blowing and amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you and you will come and watch and gain from it. All right, without wasting much of our time, let's dive straight into today's video. Okay, I'll be taking you guys straight to my screen records, my phone screen record. So I'll make a very short screen record, because I wouldn't want this video to be so long, all right, to take much of our time. So I'll just make a short screen record to show you guys the proof. I'll just take you to my YouTube studio, or to my YouTube app, mobile app, to show you guys the proof and how I was able to, and the things I do to get up to this subscriber in a short period of time. All right, and I'm expecting you to do the same thing that I did, and I'm also expecting you to get the same exact positive results. All right, so it's important for you that you stick around this video, because I'll be leaving those things untouched.
Obviously, my love.
Alright, if you are here, I'll be using my particular channel for this particular tutorial. I'll be using my own channel, alright, to show you guys. The other video I made, I used my other channel that I have about 2,000 subscribers, but this one I'll be using my own channel on YouTube growth niche. So if you are here on your channel, alright, so you can see some of the video I have posted so far, and this I started posting on the channel, I think August, 2 months ago, and under 2 months I have able to gain 390 subscribers, about 400 subscribers in less than 3 months, or less than 2, because when I posted on this channel was on 30th of August. So if you are here, the first thing you need to do is let's go to my shot. All right, let's go to my shot. You can see I have draft here, and all of these shots has gained 1,000 plus views. Almost all of them has gained 1K plus views. All right, so if you scroll down here, so you can see this one that has I'm using screen record, so I will leave I don't want to leave anything here untouched, as I said earlier. So see this one that has 23K views, this one that has 1.6K views, this one that has 10K views, this one that has 2.4K views. Those ones, right? They are okay. Let me cancel this. Let's make use of this particular one that has this.
If I say your brother or sister's name, okay, you're out. I'll start with the rarest.
So let's pause it, because I don't want the voice to interrupt what we are doing here. So you can see this is my background. This is the background I used to record this video. You can see the fan. You can see the Sanwo-Olu, the governor of Sanwo-Olu, governor of Lagos State. So once you are here, what you have to do, okay, let me take you to this person channel. So this person I used in doing this collabo. So let's look at here. Look at this place. This collabo with prosperity.x. all right, so you click on that place, this place that says,
if I say your brother or sister's name,
So if you click on that collaborate with prosperity.x, it will bring you to the main owner of the person in which I use his or her video for collaboration. Right? So if you are here, then click on the person's email and the person's channel or name. All right, click on the person channel or name. You can see some trending videos. This person has 155,000 subscribers, right? And 9 videos. Trust me, this wasn't 9 video. He or she have deleted some of the video. It was more than 15 or thereabouts. I think earlier last 2 weeks it was more than 15 or thereabouts. But for the few ones he or she, because I don't know if this person is a male or female, that's why I'm using the word he or she. But for the few ones he have left, you can see they are ranking 1 million plus, 1 million plus, 300 plus, 3 million plus, 5 million plus. All right. So I will advise you to use the most trending one. All right. So let's go with this one that has 5.8 million views. Let's go with this one.
If I say something about you,
then pause this. Then let's go with this particular one. Then if you are here, then click on this recycle dots. This recycle dot means, I think it should means repost or collabo, right? So if you click on it like this, so you can see use the sound collabo, green screen, cut this video. So click on collabo, all right? Because actually we want to collab.
if I say something about you, you're
we want to collab with this person. The reason why I'm pausing the video is so that it will not interrupt what we are doing here. Okay, so click on collabo, then click on this 15. All right, if you want the video to be longer than 15 seconds, click on that 15. You can see it's showing 15 seconds there, and it's showing 15.0 seconds here as well. So if this video can go longer than 15 seconds, when you click on this particular 15 here, it will definitely increase. All right, so let's click on that 15. You can see it has increased to 53 seconds. That is almost a minute. So all you have to do is just drag. I'm marking this thing because I don't want you guys to make mistake. Drag this particular edge. All right, drag this edge straight to the end. All right,
write your name with your eyes.
so drag this edge to the end so that it will be equal with what is showing here. It will be equal with what is showing here, because here is showing 53 seconds and here is showing 53 seconds. All right, so then click on next. This is next, and this end side, this place, that is next there. So click on next. So allow it to load up. Okay, allow it to load up. Once it's finished processing, sorry guys, a call came in, so that's why I paused the video. So you can see it's allow it to process. So allow this circle to meet each other. So I wouldn't want this to take much of our time, so I will pause this video here. All right, okay, you can see it's about to finish processing. If it's finished for processing, camera will come up. Yeah, microphone not available. Continue.
To gain an extra life if you get eliminated.
You can see it just finished processing. So I would advise you to click on this AA, all right, this AA, and choose your preferred color of the preferred color you want. I choose red. Then put subscribe. Then drag it, minimize it so that it won't cover the video. Put it at this top right corner or at the middle, but I prefer putting it at this top right corner. Then click on next. Just watch the video to make sure that what you recorded is good to go. Then click on next. Then put a eye-catchy title for my own. Please use what works for you. Here I will use capital letter. If I say anything about you, you are out. Let the challenge begin. So you can put hashtag like viral, hashtag duet, hashtag creator. Oh, I've edited that. So take this down, right? Hashtag let's use my channel. All right, so this is all. Then you can visibility public, leave it on public, select audience, no, it's not made for kids, go back, allow video remixing, yes, paid promotion and brand, no, invite a collabo, that is for you, optional for me. Then once you're done, click on upload shots, right? It will load. You can see it now, it's loading, right? It's loading. This particular style doesn't give you just subscribers, it gives you engagement, because if you check some of this video, I have tons of okay, let's check this. Okay, this has just 2 comments. If you check some of this video, I have tons of
If I say your name, you're out of the game. I have a feeling your name is hiding somewhere in this list. Let's kick it off strong. Right? Jackson, why are you...
If you want to be dragging these people's attention, make sure that people that are commenting below your shots or below your shots, make sure you are coming back to the comment section to give them maybe like heart. You can see how I gave this person heart. Give them
if I say your brother or sister's name, you're out.
You can see this one has over 157 what is it called, comments. You can see. So come down here, give them like, give them hearts. You can give them hearts and give them like at the same time. It will encourage them to keep coming back to watch your engagement. So I will advise you, once you get to your 1,000 subscribers, please kindly stop. All right, kindly stop, or you private the video. All right, kindly stop and private those videos. Then start creating video that is related to your niche. If you are on the cooking niche, on the make money niche, on the YouTube grow niche, on the African folktales niche, once you get to your 1,000 subscribers, kindly stop. That is my advice for you. You can see I'm not up to 1,000 subscribers yet. So once I'm up to 1,000 subscribers, I will stop. This video is too long already. In my next video, I will share more tips about this. All right. I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon, because we'll be coming back with mind-blowing and amazing videos just like the one we finished watching right now, and you will not want to miss any of them. All right, I will advise you to get started with this particular method as soon as possible, because YouTube can be, at times, I don't want to say it so before they can, we're about to enter into the new year, maybe they might take this feature down this new year. You don't know yet. So I will advise you to dive into particular method this now that you're seeing this video, if you haven't. And if you have, kindly let me know how many subscribers that you have gotten with this method down in the comment section, and I'll be willing to congratulate you and reply to your comment as soon as possible. All right, I'll be leaving you guys here, and I'll be hoping to see you all here when I come back in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, make I catch you. So that is just it. Peace be unto you.